Okay, hello. Today I am just going to be opening all the crates that I've gotten over the Blizzard Festival. So as you can see, I didn't buy anything except I bought a single silver bull share, and I bought 5 crates with one tier 3 guaranteed. So I have a tier 3. I'm probably gonna open it at the end. So no money was spent here. I'm just built like that, so I came back every day. Well, almost every day at least, to get all the crates. So this is 30 crates. This is 30 crates. I'm gonna open all 30 today on camera, so uh I'm hoping for a Godly Boreal dagger, and I'm pretty sure I'll get one, because I've gotten Godlies before, and I've only ever opened probably like 15 or 16 crates, like in my entire time playing Minecraft, and I've gotten like 2 or 3 Godlies. So, oh my god. So yeah, we're gonna be opening all this on top of this rock. I'm gonna get my music and sounds. Oh, okay, Minecraft music. Yay! Alright. I guess we'll just start. The quality of the Minecraft music might not be that good on the recording though. So, yeah. Alright, let's start. Opening everything. Oh my god, alright. So if you didn't know, if you do your weeklies, you get a tier 2. If you do your daily, you get a tier 1. So just ended. Let's just start opening them. Alright. You can only do 1 per day. So we have pets, player effects, gear skins, okay. Alright. Ooh. Alright, let's see what we get. First one. Oh, epic. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna stop it. Candy cane. Okay. I think I already have that one. Rest in peace. Okay. Let's keep opening tier 1s. We'll open the tier 2 and the tier 3 at the end. I have like 3 or 4 tier 2s, so. Okay, we got 2. Okay, looks like I'm not getting any of the epics. Wait. Do I get... Oh my god. Wait. Yeah. Snowman Weibo. Where is he? Aw, that's nice. Okay. Alright. Let's keep going. Tier 1 again. Here we go. Rare, epic. It's all just rares and epics for these ones. Ooh, maybe. Aw. That's just too bad. Pet. Aw. Pet. Let's go. Another Wyvil? Wait. Why do I keep typing /crate? Yep, another Wyvil. I think I've seen this one before. I can't see it. There it is. I think I've seen that one before. Alright, he's gonna stay with us while we open the rest of our crates. We have opened 3 crates. This is gonna take a while. I'm gonna speed this up. Epic. Ooh. Okay, looks like I might not get that. Epic. Yeah, so let's see what we get. Reward. Wreath. What is that? Alright, let's just keep going. Tier 1. Come on. It's all just rares this time. Oh, wait. We did get... Oh my god, wait. Let's go! Oh. Well, that was a shaman weapon. I don't think I would have ever used it anyway. That was close, though. There. Okay, we're not getting that. Candy spear. Might or might not have one of those already. I'm gonna have to scrap a lot of these items because I do not want some of this. Alright. I mean, I kind of want it because I don't have a warrior. Oh, we got a candy wand. I think I have a better wand. I have a godly wand, so probably not gonna use that. Let's keep going. Come on. Oh, okay, we got at least one epic almost every time. I think, hopefully, all of this has been rare stuff. In fact, I don't have a common in any of these. Oh wait, it's rare to godly. Okay, there's no commons. That's just for the regular crates, I think. Literally all just rares. I mean, sure, I kind of want more pets, but still. I accidentally just opened the tier 2. I guess let's do it. Epic godly. Oh, I want that. I want that so bad. Come on. Come on. Aww. Cosmic wand, that's not that bad. Wait, oh yeah, there's the tier 3. Okay, we're opening that at the end. That's probably gonna have at least a few epic. Okay. These reindeer ears are kind of nice. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, okay, that one's better actually. Is that for Archer? I don't know. Blizzard. What? How am I getting so many epics now? I might actually, no. Evergreen, what is this? That's an evergreen effect? Okay. We've used almost half, so hopefully we can get something here. But the cosmic weapon skin, oh my god. How many evergreens have I gotten? That's crazy, alright. Tier 1, come on, let's open. What's inside there? Ooh. I'm looking at it. Aww. Do. Just rares. Don't really care what I get. Okay. I already have that one. I'm gonna have to scrap all of these. Hoping for... Ooh. Oh, godly. God, how did I get that? Oh my god, how did I get that from a tier 1? That's so cool. I did not know you could get those from tier 1s. That's crazy. Come on. Come on. Epic. Oh, that lagged. Come on. Come on. Come on. Aw, that's just sad. Same one. Tier 1. Come on. What is this? I don't even know what that is. Do I want that? I don't know. It's not like I can choose. Oh, come on. Oh, wait. The pet. No? Alright. Sad. Oh, wait. I think I know this one. Wait, no. I have so many. Oh, wait. I don't think I should confirm activation for the Woolly Weibel. Snowman Weibel. I already have one of those. You know what? I'll do it for the Sledding Penguibel. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I think I kind of actually want this one. So, I will keep that one. I will probably scrap the rest. Because I don't really need so many, like, Weibels. I don't think we need them. sadly, even though how cool Weibels are. Oh my god, how does the cosmic dagger have anything to do with, like, oh, okay. Come on. Oh, it keeps missing the, okay, that's, wow. We are officially halfway through our crates. We still have, all the tier 2s and tier 3s. Oh, ugh. Candy spear, that's... Ugh, I don't really want that. Come on. Give me something good. Please. Seriously? Okay. Candy Weibel token again. The rest are like pretty much all tier 2s, so hopefully we can get some good stuff from those. Come on. That's the, oh my god, we might, nah. Please, Windcraft. Oh my god, please. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay. Probably not getting any of those though. Oh wait, actually? No. Candy dagger. Okay, well that's one I can actually use. They keep dropping down there. Last few tier 1s. Come on. Yeah, sure. Oh, yep. Another. Yeah, we gotta scrap a lot of these pets. Because I'm not using them. I don't need two, like, penguin Weibel things. Please be a pet or something. Oh, okay, so there. We're getting closer to being able to scrap all of them. Oh! Last 5 crates. Let's go. Alright. 5th to last crate. Here it is. Come on. Ooh, Godly? Godly player effect, sure. Okay, we're not getting any of those. Orpheon's Pulse. That seems so cool, bro. I don't even know, but... Okay, I'm just gonna open the next one. Oh my god. Rares? Oh. This is like... Is this a tier 1? Okay, well we got an epic, but still, like... Bro, that's something like a team... That seemed like a tier 1, bro. That's garbage. Alright. We got a Godly in there. Just one Godly, which we're probably not getting. Wait, actually? No. We got a rare from a tier 2. That's just Womp Womp. Okay. This one. This one's the one. I just know it. Come on. Oh, it's not slowing down. At all. Still going. Oh, we're gonna get the... Oh! Okay, thank you. I did not want a rare from that. Here it is, the final crate. Tier 3, what is gonna be on here? Is there gonna be a single black market? Oh my... I need one of those. Please, bro. Please. Please. No! Oh, no. Got an epic from a tier 3. Alright. Let's so we got no more crates left. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we have a lot of stuff to scrap. Okay. Let's see. Cosmic Wand. Honestly, that looks meh. This one's better. I'm gonna scrap to get a Godly. Highlands Bow, Highlands Gavel, Highlands Relic. Nah, I kind of want to keep Dorphyon's pulse. Come on. Oh, nice. Wait, I want to see that. Use. Bang. Oh. That kind of looks like a rare, honestly. Like, if you had me guess, that looks like a rare. Oh, well. I think I'll stick to my straw hat. Let's go scrap some items. I think you can do /scrap. Oh, we have so many I can scrap. Alright. Honestly, I don't use effects. Wait, what? Is it supposed to do that? Wait. Wait. Oh. Okay, that looks like that's not good at all. Never mind. Oh wait, no, scrap. Alright, Frost Weibel, Sledging Weibel, Candy Weibel. That. Candy Dagger? Oh yeah, that looks like trash. Come on. Oh, Cosmic Spear, I guess that's okay. But why is it... okay, whatever. 4 Seasons, Glacial, Snow Aura, Wreath. Frostbound Spear, sure. Yeah, I think we can still get one more godly. Oh wait, I don't know, should I scrap this all for a black market after? I think I should. I just need one more to sacrifice anything here. I don't really care. Come on. Evergreen Relic. Alright. I don't know how that looks, but now what I have to do... Oh, wait, I need... okay. We need to scrap some last few items here. Okay. Alright. I don't really care though. Oh wait. Wait, no. Why I keep forgetting the command. We're supposed to go like that. Let's see. If this gives me a really cool one. Oh my. I jinxed it. Wait. Never mind, it looks cooler when I don't have it on, but this is cool, but like I kind of want a black market, honestly, so yeah. So now can I... Alright, I need to switch over to my mage here. Oh god, Windcraft. Okay, it's not working. I'm gonna have to switch over to mage. And sadly, I have to take that off. Honestly, this doesn't look that bad anyway, so no scrap. Okay. Oh no, wait. There, wait. Okay, wait a second. It was working on my other class, right? Oh my god, Windcraft. Okay. So now, if I slash use and scrap, wait, oh, wait. Huh? Oh. Wait. I probably shouldn't be using this. Wait a sec. Wing. Scrap. Wait. So if I... Yeah. Oh, that's... Oh, wait, I can't even... Bruh. I can't scrap these. Because I don't have, like, the same thing. Wait, can I... Oh, I need one more? Okay. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, so I don't think I can do anything. Yeah. Sag, if I click on that, there's only 2. If I click on this, there's only, yeah. Well, that's sad. You can only do it with ones that are the same festival. That's what it is? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Yep. Oh wait, no, this is also festival. Why can't I... Oh wait. Oh yeah, okay, so that one's Festival of the Bonfire. This one's Festival of the Bonfire. Yeah, this one's Festival of the Heroes, everything else is Festival of the Bonfire. You know what? Okay, what can I do here? Oh, I'm gonna have to scrap the frying pan, no! This one's so good, I love the frying pan so much, but... Oh, no. Crate. No, scrap. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, wait, no, I can't even do anything. Oh, wait. Oh, this is just a regular one, okay. No black markets today. Yep, that's it. I think this is the end of the video. Goodbye. This is painful. Yep. I think, for now, I'll stick to my frying pan. Yeah, how's the candy bagger look? Yeah, not really. Not really my thing. I'm gonna switch back to my frying pan. And my helmet, probably gonna be this ice hood. Looks pretty nice. So, yep, thanks for watching. This is probably gonna be completely unedited, so, yeah. I don't know if you guys will like this type of content, but, yeah, I'm just gonna end it now.